Here's a quick checklist on how you can kickstart your Amazon business. Hey everyone, I am Niveda Muralidharan. I have trained over 50,000 plus students to kickstart their e-commerce journey and help several D2C brands to skyrocket their sales. In this video, I'm going to share you the breakdown of how you can kickstart your Amazon FBA business without leaving your existing job or business. Number one, legal documentations. You require GST to sell on Amazon, so make sure that you're getting a regular GST. Apart from this, you require bank account details and a PAN card. Obviously, you'll be having the PAN card. Your own PAN account is enough to kickstart your proprietorship firm, so you can start your GST without any hassle. Then you require bank account details. Either you can use your savings or current account, and that does not matter at all. Then you need an email ID and a phone number, so most of you would be having it. This is just the document checklist. In case you're going for a specific products like food, you require a basic FSA registration. Apart from this, most of the other categories don't require any certifications. In case you're planning to sell dry fruits like cashew nut, badam and chocolates, along with your FSA registration, you may require lab test also. So rest all the categories mostly don't require any certification. So once a legal document is ready, next selection of your product, make sure that you're selecting a unique product. Unique does not mean that no one should be having in the industry. The product should be of high demand and low competition. If you want to know how you can do the product research and you want to know the step-by-step process, along with this video, I have attached my free masterclass. You can check out the entire video and understand how this flow is going to work out. So you should be in a position to select a particular product that will give us good numbers. I request my students to launch 3 products on the first stage so that we would be able to test all the 3 products. Each product, I recommend my students to buy 20 pieces. So 3 products into 20, which is totally 60 pieces. This would come with an average investment of 20,000 to 30,000 depending on the cost price of the product. Once you select a profitable, high demand, low competition product, we use a lot of tools for that. Anyways, my recommended tool is Jungle Scott, and in the industry, people use both Jungle Scott and Helium 10 for research. And in our detailed mentorship program, I explain how to use this Jungle Scott, how you can figure out this low competition, high demand product also. So once you're able to figure out the products, once the document is ready, what else? It's time to figure out the suppliers. So make sure that you're figuring out the suppliers who can sell you this particular product at the best costing. One secret hack I have is like use India Mart for same. In India Mart, you can go and search your particular product that you have selected and you can figure out N number of suppliers, call the suppliers, get your MOQ, minimum order quantity, and the best pricing. Once you get the best pricing, request for sample. So once you're happy with the sample, then we can proceed further and place the order in bulk. In the initial days, don't automate the process of sending this particular product directly to Amazon FBA warehouse, please. Avoid it. In the initial days, make sure that you're getting the parcel to your location. Do FBA packing because we have to paste a lot of FBA stickers. If you want to know how to paste FBA stickers, etc., do check out the link along with this video and you can understand how you can paste all these stickers and send to FBA warehouse. So you'll paste the stickers and send to FBA warehouse, and Amazon is going to take care of the entire operations of packing, delivering to the customer, etc., etc. But you should start focusing on your advertisement. Amazon PPC plays a very major role in sales. So start working on reviews of the products, start working on advertisements, work on your automatic manual keyword targeting and product targeting ads. So once you are able to run ads, you will be able to understand which is your hot selling product. Once you figure out your hot selling product, restock the products, repeat the process of adding more products, and also boost the existing products. By using these 2 logics, boosting sales for the existing products, figuring out new products and adding into your list will help you to increase the sales and you would be able to reach good numbers in a very short span of time. And in case you want to learn the entire process, as I mentioned before, do check out the free masterclass link along with this video. And after the masterclass, you would have a chance to book a call with our client success advisor. Do speak with them and let's understand whether we can help you to kickstart your Amazon journey. Last but not the least, if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you're subscribing and hitting on the bell icon, and do share the video if someone in your friend list wants to kickstart their Amazon FBA journey. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification of new GenMax.